So someone left a furnace installed, even though they installed a package unit on the roof. So what we're doing today is removing the furnace. That way the airflow could all flow properly. You can see here. So we have part of the old furnace. I already got half of it down there. It used to be connected right here. Even though deeper in, we have ducting going to a package unit. But right here, the airflow was just getting lost inside this furnace and then bypassing through this duct, causing all kinds of issues. So we'll be getting this out of here, fixing the ducting, be good to go.